Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to download the Unlinked application on your Google TV, how to input a library code to the Unlinked application, and how to use the Unlinked application to get applications to your Google TV. So this is going to be a wonderful video, and I highly recommend it for you to watch the video right up to the end if you want to know how to use the Unlinked application on your Google TV. So that's it, let's get started. So as you can see on my screen here, here's my Google TV. I'm using the on TV box. If you're using any other box or any other TV that runs on the Google TV, it should look the same like this. So for us to install the Unlinked application to our Google TV, what we are going to be needing is the downloader application. So we need to start by installing downloader to our Google TV. So to install downloader is very simple because downloader is available on the Google Play Store. So you go over to apps and just go over to search apps and just type in the downloader application right here. Installing downloader is very simple. The reason why installing downloader is because we need downloader to install the Unlinked application on our Google TV. So I'm just going to use a shortcut over here and search downloader. So once we search the application, it's going to bring us here. So these are various downloader applications. Please, we're interested in this one from AFTV News. This is the well-known downloader. So just click on it, and once you're here, you can click on install. So here's the application is downloaded. Once it's done downloading, it's then going to install to our Google TV. I'm just tempted to say Android TV, but this is Google TV, please. So once this is done, please do not open it straight away. That's just the first step to our video. So after installing downloader to our Google TV, the next step is for us to install the Unlinked application. So the install Unlinked application is quite different from downloader. We can't just go over and search it on apps because it is not available on the Google Play Store. So we have to install it using the downloader, or in shorter words, we have to sideload it to our Google TV. So talking about sideloading, we need to make sure that our Google TV is able to install applications from unknown sources. So what you have to do is to click on your settings over here and head over to your system settings. And your system settings, you go over to your about, and in your about you go over to the Android TV version or the Android TV OS build. So once you're here, what you need to do is click OK on your remote control 7 times or 5 times until you see that pop-up below that says no need, you're already a developer. I'm going to do it again. You see, there's a pop-up below that says no need, you're already a developer. So on Google TV, you need to be a developer to be able to install applications from unknown sources. So you need to turn that on. So once that is turned on, you're going to see it appear over here, developer option. Here's it over here, and make sure that it is enabled. So just make sure that it is enabled. Once it's enabled, it's going to allow you to install applications from unknown sources. So once that is done, then we can go ahead now and install applications from unknown sources. So in this case, we're going to be using downloader to install the Unlinked application. Now, if you don't see the downloader application after installing here, then it's somewhere in your apps. So what you can do is go over to your apps or in settings, and go over to your apps over here and click on see all apps. And as you can see, here's a downloader application over here. That's if it's not showing on your home page. So you can go ahead and open it over here, or launch in other words. So this is how downloader looks like, and now downloader has changed and it's more of a browser now. So what I need to do here, we're using downloader to install the Unlinked application. So go over to input a code on this hash over here and type in this code to install the Unlinked application. The code is 10381. I've used this code for more than 2 years and it's always working to install the Unlinked application. So 10381 is the code to install Unlinked. So just type it over here as you saw me do, and then go ahead and launch. So here's the link. It's going to redirect us to the download page. Once it's brought us to the download page, it's going to start downloading the application. Once it's done, they will be able to install the application to our Google TV. So here's it over here. So it's done downloading. Once it's done downloading, just click on install. Now, even this, you need to turn on settings to allow the download application as a source. So click on settings over here and make sure that you turn on downloader settings. So this allows us to install applications from the downloader application after turning on developer mode. So click on install from here, and then Unlinked is going to install. So you see, Google, you can choose to allow play protect or decline it for. I'm just going to decline it for now, but you could accept it in your case. The only thing is that it is going to block certain apps from installing on your Google TV. Once that is done, click on done, and then delete the app file from your Google TV. Delete. Once you delete that, now you can then return home, and then you completely install the Unlinked application. And just like download that, the application is going to find itself here. So here's the Unlinked. So go ahead and launch it. So I'm going to be showing you how to put in a library code. So the most popular library code I would recommend you to use on Unlinked is the Everything library code. Since Google TV runs on Android TV, this Unlinked library is the best for Android TV devices. So just go over here and type in this code. It is simple, everything. Now I'm going to use the shortcut to save time, but if you use that suggestion, please always cancel the spacing at the end. Once you do that, just go ahead and launch, and this is going to bring you to this library code, everything, which is done for Android TV devices. So here's the library. I'm going to be blurring certain applications, but once you go over here, how do you install an application from this library? It is very simple. Just go over to any app that you want to install. Let's say, for instance, I want to download and install VLC. So just click on VLC once and click download, and then it's going to start downloading to your Google TV. Once it's done downloading, you can go ahead and install it after it shows the install button when the application is done downloading on your Google TV. So I can wait this out. Let me just wait this out and show you how to install applications from here to your Google TV. It's very, very simple. Just give it a couple of seconds for the application to quickly download, and then we'll install to our Google TV. So now VLC is done downloading. Click on install right here, and then you have to allow app permission to use Unlinked as a third-party source, just like we did for downloader. So go over here, click on Unlinked allowed, and you can return home, or we can return to the Unlinked now, and then install the application. It's as simple as that to install applications from here. So let's go back to the VLC. Oh my god, what have I done? So I mistakenly closed the Unlinked application. I'm going to go back there. So I'll go back to the VLC over here and just click on install, and then it's going to install to our Google TV. So that's how to download and install apps or install Unlinked and use Unlinked on Google TV. It's very simple. If you found the video helpful, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this.